Honorable Senators, the result of the division is as follows. Ayes 38 votes, nays 4 votes, abstention 0. So the ayes have it. Now, Honorable Senators, I have a communication to make regarding the effect of the vote on the motion on the preliminary objection. Now, Honorable Senators, the motion having been approved, the hearing on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, is hereby terminated. Further, as you will recall, the Senate at the sitting held on Tuesday, 2nd December 2025, resolved to alter its hours of meeting on Wednesday, 3rd December 2025 and Thursday, 4th December 25, in order to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County. In these exceptional circumstances, and pursuant to Standing Order 1, I direct the clerk to circulate a further supplementary order paper containing a procedural motion on the hours of sitting for tomorrow, Thursday, 4th December 2025. Now, Honorable Senators, you will note that you passed a motion here that you were to sit for 2 days. That's Wednesday, today, and tomorrow. We were to sit tomorrow from 9 until conclusion of business. Having passed this motion, we need not sit tomorrow in the morning, but we need to do that via a motion. And that's why a supplementary order paper has been circulated. We passed that procedural motion so that instead of coming here tomorrow at 9, we come here tomorrow at 2:30. We treat it just like a normal Thursday sitting. I will therefore direct the Sergeant at Arms to withdraw the bar and open the doors. But kindly do not leave. Let us discharge with this motion before we leave. Thank you.